I want to play with you, Mama.
What do you want to play?
I want to play with one. I want to play with those blocks.
What are you going to play with these blocks?
I want to make houses.
You make houses. What kind of houses? Bear houses?
Doggy houses!
Doggy houses? Do they need plumbing in doggy houses?
And doors.
And electricity?
And doors.
And doors?
Yes, and let's make it silly.
To make a silly house?
It's city.
A city?
Yes.
A doghouse city?
Yes.
What are they going to do in the doghouse city?
I'm going to put dogs in.
You're going to put dogs in it? In the dog?
And somebody else can meet them and pet them.
And the bears will pet them?
Yes. When they're all alone.
You think the bears will eat them?
No.
No?
It's going to be... And it's going to talk to the little pup. It's going to talk to the little puppy. And some elephant houses.
An elephant?
And some...
How would you fit? I don't think we have enough blocks for an elephant house.
Two. All of these ones are going to shine.
Oh, that elephant.
Yeah, it's kind of little. But this is the bear that will talk to them.
Oh, that's the bear that'll talk to the dogs?
Yes, and the elephants and the Rory things.
The Rory things? The lion?
Yeah, Rory.
Roar! Oh, I gotcha.
Yeah, let's make... let me do the countdown.
Do the countdown.
1, 2, 3, go!
That's a count up. So it'll be 3, 2, 1, go. The countdown. Right?
3, 2, 1.
Go! Let's
Go.
build the houses.
These two houses. Let's make some houses.
Is that good?
Yep, let's make some more.
Ah! It caved in on him. That's actually kind of neat. I wonder if I could do it up for this. Nope. Oh! Don't throw it. Don't break it. Don't hurt anybody. It's okay to be frustrated. Just don't break nothing. Oh, I hate it when stuff falls like that, huh? Frustrating.
I just want them little.
Little houses, like just one like that?
No, I just want them. The doors kind of bigger, like this big.
Like how big? Whoa!
This big.
Goodness, that's real big.
Like this big.
Do we have enough blocks to make it that big?
Yeah. Yeah, we have enough. I picked out these ones. Shapes. Numbers. And colors. Let's do it now. Let's get this away.